Want to change the language on your Windows 11 computer but not sure how? No problemo. In this video, I'll walk you through changing your display language. Let's dive in. First, open up Settings on your computer. Next, click on Time and Language from the left side menu. Then click on Language and Region from here. Next, click on the Add a Language button. Then select the language you want to add. You can also use the search bar here to find your language. After finding your language, make sure it has the display language icon next to it. It's important because or else you won't be able to change the language to that one. Next, click on it once, then click on the next button. Then tick the box that says Set as my Windows display language and click on Install. Add the language pack and it will start downloading. Once it's done downloading and installing, it'll switch your language to it automatically. If you want to switch back to the old language, just click here and pick it from the list. And that's a wrap on how to change the language in Windows 11. If the video proved to be useful, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.